Welcome back! Today on Dialed In DIY, we're looking at a great way to take some discount decorations and really make them shine. Or, in this case, really glow in the dark. All of the decorations in this video were purchased for $1 or less each, and they do pretty good on their own. But there's some ways we can really trick them out a little bit more and making them an impressive addition to our displays for the holidays. If you've watched many of my videos, you know I do like to work with glow-in-the-dark stuff, and I love to create new things that can glow in the dark. And as often as the case, if I'm going to put a coat of something that will glow, I always like to put an undercoat of white primer or some other base white coat to really help make that glow shine. Although today I'm working with skeleton rats and skeleton bats, this really applies to a lot of different types of decorations and not just for Halloween. There's a lot of different things. As long as they're plastic, they're the easiest to paint, but I never let that stop me from trying it on something else too. Once the primer has dried, I'm jumping right into my first option for making things glow by making them glow in the dark. I picked up a can of this glow-in-the-dark spray paint at the local hardware store, and I'm going to apply 2 really good coats to it, and it worked really well. But I think in the future I'm going to do a 3rd coat just to give it a little extra oomph. Moving on to option number 2, I'm going to get those bats back out and get some painter's tape and cover up the body of the bat, because I'm not painting those, but I am going to go ahead and leave the wings exposed and go ahead and cover those up with a good fluorescent colored spray paint. I'm taking this approach for these because this helps to have a great look in the daylight hours, and at night I can do something a little bit different to give it that extra special glow, which really makes it pop as part of a decoration, and that's by adding the black light. When I have the black lights on for the display, everything is glowing really nice. I love the fluorescent paint, the bats look awesome, and the spiders look really good too. But as a bonus option, you can add extra glow-in-the-dark colors by using the same formula approach I did with the glow-in-the-dark paint that you can make for yourself, and add different colors to your spiders and other things too. Check that video link in the description below, and your creative opportunities are almost endless. Hey, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by Dialed In DIY today to check out this video on how you can take some cheap decorations and really make them look so much more impressive with just a few quick, simple little steps. If you liked the video, got something out of it, or just stuck with it the whole way through, I'd love it if you'd let me know by clicking that thumbs up below. I'd also love it if you'd subscribe to my channel while you're here, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notifications for future videos. And please feel free to come on back in the future, because there will be plenty more Dialed In DIY to come.